Hello! Happy and cheerful morning to all my dear students. I hope you all are fine at home and taking care of your health. Now tell me, how are you taking care of your health? By taking proper rest, by eating nutritious and healthy food. Isn't it? आप healthy खाना खा रहे हो ना? So that you're protected from the disease. Today we are going to start with a new chapter in science, that is chapter number 8, Food for Good Health. Now in this chapter we're going to discuss about the different kinds of foods and why is food so important to us. अगर हम नहीं खाएंगे तो क्या होगा? And खाने से क्या होता है? So all this we are going to discuss in this chapter. So let us begin.
Chapter 8. Food for Good Health. We all need food. We cannot live without food. Food is a basic need. Food is essential for our growth. Food gives us energy to work and play. Food helps us to stay healthy and fight against diseases.
Okay, so as she said, we all need foods. We cannot live without foods. अगर आप एक दिन खाना नहीं खाओगे तो आपको बहुत डल फील होगा, आपसे काम नहीं होगा, आपसे गेम नहीं खेला जाएगा. Isn't it? You won't be able to run. You won't be able to do your homework. So food is very important, children. It helps in our growth. Now you might have noticed that you are getting taller. जैसे जैसे आप बड़े हो रहे हो, आप tall हो रहे हो, आपके hairs भी लंबे हो रहे हैं, आपके bones और muscles भी affect करते हैं. So it is very important that we eat the right food which helps in our growth. ऐसे फूड जो हमारी ग्रोथ के लिए अच्छे हों, जिससे हमारी हाइट भी अच्छे से इंक्रीज हो, we get energy and we can do our work properly. So for that we need to be careful of what we are eating. हम क्या खा रहे हैं उसके लिए हमें ध्यान रखना होगा. So now we will study the different kinds of food and उसे खाने से हमारी बॉडी को क्या मिलता है. Okay, so let's begin.
Kinds of food. Energy giving foods: rice, potatoes, butter, cheese and sugar are energy giving foods. These foods give us energy to work, play and think. When we do not have energy, we feel tired.
Okay, so our first category is energy giving foods. अब हमें energy किससे मिलती है? All these type of food: rice, butter, cheese, wheat, potatoes. So ऐसे खाने से हमें energy मिलती है. And we need energy to do the work, isn't it? We need energy to do our work. We need energy to play games. We need energy to learn also. है ना? जब हमारे में energy होती नहीं है तो हम याद भी नहीं कर पाते. हम बार बार read करते रहते हैं but हमें याद नहीं होता. So it is very important to have energy. So all these kinds of foods helps to bring energy to our body. Now let us look at the next kind.
Bodybuilding foods: pulses, milk, flesh and eggs are bodybuilding foods. They help us grow. They build our bones and muscles.
Okay, so the next category is bodybuilding food. So bodybuilding food में क्या होता है? ऐसे टाइप के फूड जो हमारे बोन्स और मसल्स को स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ड्रिंकिंग ग्लास ऑफ मिल्क. मम्मा तो रोज़ बोलती है ना कि आपको एक ग्लास पीना चाहिए मिल्क का. but sometimes you don't want to. So remember children, by drinking milk, your bones and muscles become strong and you will play very well and you will work harder. Okay? आपकी body अच्छी रहेगी, just like him. So, by drinking milk, and if you are non-vegetarian, by eating eggs, by eating meats, flesh, all this helps in bodybuilding. So children, you should eat all these kinds of foods. Next category.
Protected foods. Fruits and vegetables are called protected foods. They prevent us from falling sick and help us stay healthy.
Okay, so our last category is protective foods. Now, as we all know, in this situation, that is the coronavirus, our body needs protection. हमारी बॉडी को प्रोटेक्शन की ज़रूरत है ना, ताकि हम बीमार नहीं पड़े. So, what should we eat? We should eat fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are known as protective foods. They help us to protect from the diseases and so that we do not fall ill. अगर आप रोज fruits और vegetables खाओगे, so आप बीमार नहीं पड़ोगे. Okay? मम्मा बोलती है ना, सब्जी खा लो. But sometimes you tease your mom, आप नहीं खाते सब्जी. But see how important it is to eat vegetables. So children, please eat vegetables every day and make sure to eat one fruit also every day. इससे क्या होगा? इससे हमारी body protected रहेगी from different diseases. So we are stopping over here. We will continue the topics in the next class. But quickly let us discuss the worksheet. So, our worksheet is over here. First one, give 4 examples of each of the following. Protective foods. Now, आपको example देने हैं of the foods through which our body gets protection. In the same way, bodybuilding foods. ऐसे कौन से फूड है जिसे खाने से हमारी बॉडी, हमारे बोन्स स्ट्रांग बनते हैं? Then energy giving food. Okay, the food that gives us energy. So you have to write the name of the foods. Then the next one is answer the following. Now first one is, why do we need food? In the beginning of the chapter we have discussed that why it is important to eat food. So that you are going to write. What are energy giving foods? What are bodybuilding foods? And what are protective foods? So you have to write these answers in short, that is 2 to 3 lines. So I hope the topic is clear to all of you. We will meet in the next class. Till that, take care of your health, eat proper food and God bless you all. Have a nice day.